Let's talk about the divorce mediation process. What is a divorce mediation? Hi, my name is Aslam Moolla and I am a registered attorney. That's exactly what we're going to be covering in today's video. Firstly, when we talk about the mediation process, what we are referring to is a process where both parties come together to discuss the terms of their divorce. For example, who takes primary residence, contacts, maintenance of children, division of assets, etc. Generally, the parties appoint a neutral person to be a mediator. This can often be an attorney, a social worker, or a psychologist, and they will try and work with both parties to try and reach a settlement agreement. Now remember, the purpose of the mediator is to be a neutral person. They can't take any side. They must see how the case can be resolved amicably out of court without a settlement. Another important aspect to bear in mind is that a mediator does not make any decisions on behalf of the parties. In other words, all the decision making is left to the parties alone. Generally, lawyers are not allowed at mediation sessions, although it is advisable that before you sign any settlement agreement, you get the opinion of a lawyer to make sure that it adequately protects your interests. After all, a divorce is a major life-changing event. I also would encourage you that where there are children involved, that you draft what is called a parenting plan. A parenting plan is a legal document that the court must see before it grants a divorce order. You also need somebody called a family advocate to endorse that parental plan. We've done extensive videos on what is the role of a family advocate and a parental plan on this channel. I would encourage you to have a look at those videos as well. In summary, divorce mediation is a cost-effective and fast way to resolve your divorce. Make sure that you appoint someone who is experienced in divorces and knows what they are doing. And number 3, where there are children, ensure that you have a parental plan in place and that the family advocate is involved. If you need help in your situation, you're more than welcome to click the link below and book an appointment with our office. I wish you all the best and I'll speak to you soon.